English. My teacher punish me, oh.
Chinaza kebi gaga na oge
Open Sheraton.
keyboard
Nani heaven.
kebe bu new heaven.
Keme ni da kwari.
Njikwa ego.
Na na kwari ka jele wampe.
Hey, njikwa ego.
Ego na ifo na ai. Dim nwere mansion.
Nke bụkwa mashu. Amaka n'ugbo ndị Nsụka.
Good afternoon, students. How are you doing today? You're welcome to today's class. We are going to look into an interesting topic, which is simple sentences in English language. But before I proceed, I would love to inform you that I wouldn't like any of you seated here presently to speak anything except English language. What did I say? English language. I don't want to hear. I said I don't want to hear any other language except what? English language. So, hello. Stand up. Can you give me an example of a simple sentence?
My name is Mama.
Very good. Put your hands together for her. Stand up there. What's the ones for? My God, what did you just say? Can't you speak good English? What do you want? I'm talking to you and you're talking to someone else. Are you okay? What do you want? Relate.
Because of English. English. My teacher punish me, oh. English. Because of English. English. Oye kuza pia motari.